Hey guys, welcome back to YouTube channel Brother0212. In this video guys, I'm going to show you guys how to repair. You guys can see the camera is focused at this button here. This top one here in the corner, as you can see. It's not the RT, it's the RB here. This one. If you click it, as you can hear, this one works on this side perfect. As you can hear, this one is a bit stuck, but it clicks fine. I'll show you guys how to fix it in this video. Just move my tripod down a little bit, and then you can watch. And yeah, if you guys want to grab your guys' controller, you're more than welcome to. So as you see, I've got the battery pack on it at the moment, like the battery thing. It's a rechargeable. Just take that out and put it over there. As you guys can see, my controller's in quite nice condition. This is the Ocean Blue should I say. I think I said that right. And right in the middle here, yeah, right here is there's normally like a little hole for you to pop. So I'm going to show you guys that. I've never repaired this controller. Ever, should I say. So, yeah. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to put my tripod in the right place. So, as you guys can see, you need like this, just to pop it in the middle here. So I'm just trying to see where it is. It's right there. There you go. Just popping all through there like that. As you see, there's a screw in there. Like that. Sometimes people use the right screwdrivers. I'm just going to use these ones. This is that one there, as you guys can see. Yeah, it's that one there. So sometimes you need a smaller one, which I've got, which I'm going to grab right now. Where did I put it? Because I did a previous video before about my phone. Will be a second, guys. Sorry, I never prepared for my videos. There you go. Stay there, sorry guys. And yeah, I've got it. There we go. Let's just move my camera over there again. Right, stay there. That's better. Right, so I've got a smaller one. So just pop it in there. All I do is unscrew them. Nice and slow with it, because if you rush, you can break the screws, and if you do that, your controller's probably ruined for life then. Well, not for life, you can still use it, but your controller will play up a bit, because it's not all straight or anything. So, just keep doing this. Sometimes you take the side plastics off first, but I'm just going to get this one done first. As you guys can see there. Sometimes it doesn't want to come out. There we are. Great, it fell on the tripod, which I've got it now. If you guys are wondering what that is, that's a bit of tape. We put that on there, so it's a lot easier, and that's actually a reflection from the camera, so it's not too bad. As you see, the screw is now out, as you can see there. And I have zoomed in as well, guys, so it's better quality. Ooh. Please do not fall tripod. Sorry guys. Alright, so always start from the 1 second guys, I'm just trying to straighten this tripod out a little bit. There we go. So you guys could just hear that noise, and that's me eBay, because I'm always on 24/7 non-stop eBaying me, because this is where I get good deals. I also bought a white controller as well. Paid £10.50, fixed it up. Yeah. show you guys at the end. So as you see here, let me zoom out a little bit. There we go. So you guys can see, just get these here, just get the barrier thing here. Just keep popping them up. Just keep doing that. Oh, sorry guys, just neutral my camera then. You just get that in there and you just try and get it in there, pop them up. Stop mounting the camera. There we go. If you've got a little gap here, you just get it in there again and then, oh, there we go. This one only needs that one repair doing. That's why I'm doing it in this video to show you guys. I also have another controller coming that definitely needs repairing. They're a nightmare these sometimes because they do not want to budge. Come on, you bugger out. It is coming, it's getting there. It may take some practice to get these up, but you finally just get it out. That's why, because these closed. This one needs to be open. Oh, please do not fall. Sorry guys, I might have to, oh no, I scratched my controller. See? Crap. That's the one thing I did not want to happen. Oh, there we go. Alright, I've got it. I know that's out. You just get your hand there and you just keep hold of that while you get this one out, because if you hold that one again... Oh my goodness. It's actually quite clean inside, nice and shiny. It's like, that's what you like to see. A bit dirty that, but yeah, it's not a big deal. And yeah guys, this is what I wanted to tell you guys as well. I wanted to tell you guys this. The normal controllers you can buy for like £20. Get the plastics yourself because you'll be saving yourself £40 each. I did speak with one of my friends today about this. They went and bought a Microsoft controller and they spent £95 on a controller. I said to him, why did you buy that? He said, oh, because it looks nice. Search the plastics up that he had on it. £8.50 to buy his plastics. £12 something for the extra bits that came with it. He got extra bits with it as well. And with the extra bits, he wasn't really saving much money. So after he got them bits, he was like £60–70 still up, well down really. It's £25 to £30 for a dark controller, like a regular one. If you add that together, guys, it's like £40–50. He'd be saving himself £45 if he'd have bought the plastics from eBay. And they're just the normal same plastics you normally get. Just thought I'd add that in there, guys, so you guys can save a bit of money eBaying over on Amazon. Sorry, guys. Oh, let me zoom out a little bit. There we go. Right, so, let's zoom in again. There we go. This video's probably going to be like 20 minutes, but you know it's going to be worth it. Wait, oh my goodness, I've scratched it again. See that? I need to get new plastics first, guys, because it's not going too well, this. I do actually have spare plastics over there on a controller that I have. It needs bumper things putting back on. Well, not the bumper things, it's like the magnets that need sorting. That can be quite pricey, that, which I'm not even going to go into asking the price for that because I have no idea. I've never had it done before, so... Ooh, careful not to go in too far, guys, because you can damage the board inside, and if that happens, it's game over. There's no way it's going to come back to life then. Just keep your hand pressed there, and then just keep going around the sides. Even if you damage the plastic, it's not too bad because you can just buy new ones and replace them for a couple of quid each. but you know you don't want to damage them, so just be careful doing this, yeah. Come on in there, get in there, you bugger. There we go. I'll just check the thinking inside, make sure I've not shorted anything. But if that has happened, I mean, quite good crap if it's happened. No, it's not. Right, see, oh, it still works. That's not what I wanted to happen. My Xbox has just turned on, which I knew that would have happened. So sometimes if your Xbox is turned on, all you do is this. I just done a trick there where my Xbox is now turning back off. So when it's on and the TV's not on, keep hold of the middle button and scroll up twice and then press the A button and then it'll turn off. Because it acts like it's on. I don't know why I just moved it over there. But anyway guys, now you're in here, you'll see these other ones here, these other screws as you see there, and you get this screwdriver again. I think it's actually been opened before. I'm not lying. So that has, that's not good, because I bought this new. These screws are too loose, look. They're not quite easy actually. It's what you want to see though, but it's not really what you want to see. This one's actually quite tough. I don't think it's actually been opened because these are like the factory sealed. Because it was quite tricky to get that out. If you guys are still behind a little bit, you can pause this video and just catch up and then unpause it. As you guys can see, nice and slow with the screw. Where did that one just go? Not under the tripod again, hopefully. I think it did actually, I'm not too sure. Oh no it didn't, it's right there, I didn't even see it. That's part of the plastic on the actual one of these. Not a big deal, you can just sort that instantly. As you see, we've got 3 screws. Well, we've got 2 here. Where's the other one gone? Oh no, we've got 3. 3 screws. Right, onto the other bit here. Same thing again. Also be careful because that's a board there. That right there's the board. So be careful you don't hit it or anything because you can damage it just like that. So yeah, see under there. You don't have to literally take the screws out, but it's easier if you do. Because if you lose them, then yeah, it's not game over, but you've lost them, and it's not really gonna be that good. Right, so now what you do? You just take this one off. You just like lift it from the corner there, and you just wiggle it a little bit, and there it's how it is there. I need to put it over there. You see it inside the controller. Second thing I do is normally just take these off, and I don't put them next to each other. I put them like that, so I know which one's which. Have a look around for any, like, there's no water damage, but this is what I always do, even it's like an iPhone, I'll just move these around a little bit, check there's no corrosion on the board or anything. And what we're looking at here is this one here. This one's fine. See how it's clicking? That button's not clicking. As you can see, that one's clicking. That one's just about clicking, so I'm going to show you guys how you do this. You can get your nail and just get that up, but I don't want you guys hurting yourself. So I'm just using like a finger there, just to do that, and then that one, there goes that bit. This one, just put that over there. This one, you get it from the corner and you clip it upwards. Just like that. And the main focus we're looking on today, guys, is this one here. Come on, camera focus. There we go. This one right here. As you can see, let my camera focus. Zoom out a little bit. There we go. As you can see, they both look the exact same. Difference is the buttons on these. No offense to Microsoft, but they're really cheap. So if you like a controller like that, spamming it like mad, the controller's getting bashed around like this. So like, see how the plastic's like quite flexible. It's also really cheap as well. It's not very expensive. But I do like the Microsoft controllers. I really like the design they've made it. Quite good. So now you're gonna need some scissors, guys. I'm just trying to find them scissors because I have no idea where I've got them. You need tape as well. Alright, so I've got these, I'll see. Oh, there's the scissors. I didn't even see them. Wait a minute. I need to go to Specsavers and get some more glasses. Wait a minute. Right. Oh, that's why my tripod keeps falling to me. Blinking charger. There we go. Right, stay there. 1 minute, guys. I'll just move this blinking plug. There you go. Now you should be moving fine. That's my pillow there, guys. Sorry about that, but I'm doing it on my bed because there's a reason for that. There's better quality for you guys. Right, so as you see, we've got all the parts here. Second thing you're going to do is sometimes you'll turn your controller on sometimes and have it on like the Xbox screen. You'll click this button here, as you can see. You can slightly see there. It's clicking, which means it wants to work. Test all your buttons as well, and if you guys want to, you can test all your bumper buttons. ETC means etc, etc. So yeah, that's what it means. Just test all these. You see my controller's in quite nice condition, except for the case, which yeah, is a bit ruined. But yeah, as you get your tape here, you find where the bit is that you need. You only need a little bit. By the way, I'm not showing my Xbox why this is tricky. You have to press it like really hard for it to work. I'll show you guys a quick and easy fix. This might not work for everyone, but it's gonna work for some people. Right, so you get your scissors. You get these scissors here. You get a little bit like that. Sometimes I get 2 pieces of them. Right, and you find the bit that needs doing. So sometimes I'll put it in the controller again and test it. Give me a second, guys. I need to check what bit it is. I think it's this one. Yeah, we'll roll with this one here. So you get your piece of tape. I think I said that right. Sometimes I go like that, but I'm gonna go sideways on this one because you get more tape with it. As you see, you get your piece of tape. Just put it on this part here. Come on, camera, focus today, please. Right, I'm gonna do that. I'll try and go back a little bit, see if this is any better. It's not too bad. So this bit here, see this bit here, this one with a bit of a sharp on the end, you get your tape. That's better quality. You just put it on the end there a little bit. I mean, you wrap it a little bit. And you get this bit at the end and you wrap it again. There will be a bit left over. All you do is get your scissors and cut the leftover bit. You don't chop the full thing. I could not stress enough, guys, you do not chop the full thing. About there. Oh, do not hit my tripod, please. I'll just cut that. So as you guys can see, you just move it in a little bit. And you check that there, see if it's any sturdy. Sometimes it isn't, but I think that'll do. See how it's a bit sharp on the end there, that's what you want to see. Then you just put it on here again, you just do the same thing you were doing then, and all you do is just get the clip there, and you put it back in. I feel like I've done it the wrong way, I hope I've not. Don't think I have, I'm just going to check now really quick. Sometimes the bumpers will come out, sometimes you just put them back in. There we go. Sorry guys, my video just ended then, for some reason. But I'll have to edit this one in. But yeah, sorry guys, but yeah, when we're just starting then, you just take that out again if it doesn't want to work. And then put it back in, but sometimes it can be caused. Come on camera, focus please. I have to do that sometimes for my camera to focus. There we go, it's better. So all you do is just fold that again. Like that. If it's both of your controller bits, then do the same thing I'm doing here, but with both of them. Right, so go with this side here. Sometimes I don't think I've done it right. I have done it right, yeah, it's fine guys, I have done it right. And there you go, I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. Sometimes this little piece will come out. Some of you guys are like, oh no, I've broke my controller. You haven't guys, don't worry. Once that piece on the end there snaps, then you have. All you do, see that little slot there, you get this piece here. And you slide it in there. There you go, and then it's fine again. So check around your camera, oh my goodness, I can't even say it right. On your controller for any corrosion or anything like that, in case your controller has been damaged or you dropped it in water or anything like that, and it still works, so check on your controller. Safety is always first for these controllers. Oh, don't be falling to bits already please, I've already fixed it. And you'll do this again. I think that's actually the wrong way. I'm not precise, but I think that is actually the wrong way. No, I am doing it the right way. So when it goes, let me zoom on, you guys can see me try and get it back in. Me set. I can't speak a minute, guys, 'cause I'm trying to get it in. Right, stop with them bumpers, keep coming out. Wait there. Right. Stop with that, please. Right, now the bumpers are back in. Right, we're good. Oh, careful with these as well, these magnets. They need to go in there. Right, it's all clipped in again now. Right, let's try again. Other side. Right, these bloody bumpers are getting on my nerves now. They'll also be getting on your guys' nerves as well, these bloody bumpers. They're getting in the way. Right, there's one. Right, we've done one. As you see, we've done one. Try the other one. sometimes you need to put that there, but sometimes it might be easier to do it. Right there, we're doing it, as you see. It's clicking. As you see, it's clicking, as you can see. It's clicking. Right, so I think we've done it now, guys. So let me just check my... I don't know. I'll take that wire out. Let me just fold my tripod up. And we're going to go and take it to my Xbox and we're going to have a look. I'm never prepared for my videos, never am. Right, so, let me try that. I'm going to cover my camera a minute, guys. I'm going to take my battery. I'm going to take this to my Xbox. On my desk, you're going to see a few of my controls I've fixed. I'll show you one that I've fixed already. But there's my tripod and it's working fantastic. I did contact the seller and say part of it, I did drop it the other day and it did crack, but I fixed the crack. But then a day before that, like before it even dropped it, a crack appeared on it for some reason. I don't know how it happened, but yeah, let me just, as you see, just turn my Xbox on. Be careful as well, guys, don't be touching the board in any sort of way because you can damage your stuff. There you go, you just clicked it in. There you go, power it up. And just give it a test, just check if all these buttons are working fine. That one's clicking really well now. I'm going to go on the Xbox app, and that white controller there is one I fixed the other day. Paid quite cheap for it, wasn't even that expensive, to be honest with you. And yeah, give me a second, guys, I'll show you guys the TV screen in a second. Just type in my password and stuff, and I don't want to show you guys that, because I get bankrupt. Someone might get into my account, which I'm not happy about if someone gets into that. Sorry guys, I'm trying to use it with the thingies on. Why has it doubled it? That should be it, I think. Yeah, it is, right, we're doing it. Right, I'm going to go on the Xbox thing and I'm going to see if it's worked. Right, let me unroll my tripod. Right, let me go on there. Alright, so let's test it, guys. Look, guys, I'm pressing it. It's working perfect on the other side as well. Let me go to a different angle, the other side. Working perfect. And that's how you fix your controller, guys. Sometimes it might be a bit thingy sometimes, but then it'll be alright after a while. Let's see, it's working alright. Sometimes you might have to just bang that a little bit to get it in place, so that's where I went to the city thing. See? It's working alright. Anyway guys, that's how you fix your controller. It's actually not white, for some reason it's showing up white, it's actually ocean blue. But yeah guys, that's the end of this video. I'll have to edit it in. But anyway guys, thanks for watching. I'll say fix an Xbox One controller if it's broken. Anyway guys, see you in the next video. Peace.